Hey, good morning, Chuck here with Apple Drains. This is Sunday morning, March 13th, and we are here in Claremont, Florida. You know, yesterday was close to 79 degrees. This morning it's 28. Welcome to Florida. What we're doing is we're working on a negative grade of a driveway. Can you see what's happening here? You see how steep that driveway is? Water runs down the hill and of course floods directly into the garage. What we discovered is there is a catch basin system. There's one here. That line runs across to another catch basin, which was also buried under the gravel. That line continues around the side of the house, and we found the pipe over here. And of course, here is where it discharges. It basically goes nowhere, right into the ground. And of course, that means the water cannot escape fast enough for that to work for the driveway. You know, we see this a lot from, we'll call them landscapers. What they've done is, here's the discharge pipe, and they put a grate on the end of it, and they just buried it underground. And you can see it's just slap full of dirt, sand, debris. And of course, it couldn't possibly function to keep up with the amount of water that comes down that driveway. And yet, here it is. So what we're doing is we're running that 1065. This is our drain cleaning machine. This catch basin, there's a line that runs through here. It might be perforated, it might not, but it's full of dirt. And you can see it's going to come out here in this catch basin. And like I said, we just found where it discharges, which is nowhere. There used to be a huge magnolia right out here, so it's very possible that those roots have wrapped around this pipe and crushed it, but we're going to find that out. So how do we find that pipe that was buried underground for years and no one knew where it was? Well, if you listen carefully, you're going to hear our drain cleaning machine, the snake, and you'll hear it clicking as it comes closer and closer to this catch basin. We can actually hear that cable as it moves underground as well. So we cleaned that line and we're able to find that pipe without any problem. Okay, shut it off! So you can see the cable, it's very clean. There's nothing here, there's nothing, no roots that we pulled out. And what we need to do now is flush that line. So we're going to put the garden hose in that other basin, let the machine run, and it'll help clean that line out. So for temporary, we went ahead and put a pop-up on here where we found that line, and you can see it comes out. We've got, so for temporary, we went ahead and put a pop-up on here. And again, I'm not a big fan of pop-ups, but they work. Water comes from those catch basins and it's draining out right here, lifts up the pop-up and disperses across the yard. Pretty simple. So what did this video actually teach you? You know, to cut across this 3-car drive is very costly to do. And to get the channel drain properly installed, very tedious work. We were able to actually find some catch basins that had been buried under that gravel and find a pipe that no one even knew was there and save this homeowner truly thousands of dollars. So hopefully this video has taught you a couple things. Number one, you can do these projects yourself and truly save thousands of dollars. And number two, make sure if you're going to call a company that they are capable of cleaning and maintaining all of these systems. YouTube is full of many entertaining videos. So when you call that company, make sure, like I say, that they can clean and maintain their system and that they are a reputable company. One that I would recommend in the New Jersey area is Thai Landscaping. Tom, the owner, family-owned business, great company. So again, if you're new to drainage, please subscribe to our channel. We have all kinds of videos. We cover all parts of the rainwater drainage system. But the best thing about being a subscriber is you have access to live help. Be sure to click the notification button so that you receive all of the videos that we post. And when we post up group live help coming, whatever, May 1st, you'll know and you can get in on this group help. It's absolutely free. We use Zoom. We can hold up to 100 people. And I'll tell you what, it's a lot of fun. You'll learn so much because you'll see your problem in someone else's backyard and we answer all the questions. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.